How to trade bank holidays. Get some good volume this week with all the news I think is possible, especially because 30 is at all-time high. Apartment, got the food and everything, but there's an Audi R8. Don't let no obstacles get in your fucking way. Whenever something happens, keep pushing through it. Push through it. There's always another way. Just always think to yourself, what's next? What's next? I was on the phone with Mamba Effects. Got some business in the works. Got a lot coming soon, no cap. Today it ended up being a bank holiday. Didn't have a lot of momentum, didn't have a lot of volume, so I did. Good morning everybody, and welcome back to another team. I said welcome back to another team. Welcome back to another video, family. And today it is Monday, but it is not a regular Monday. Today it is Columbus Day. So right now it is October 14th, 9:18 in the morning. VIP call starts in about 5 minutes. It's already started, but I'm not gonna get on the call until 5 minutes. I get on the charts at 9:30 every day. Religiously, 9:30. Maybe NFPs, I'll show up and watch the charts a little early. Maybe CPIs, I'll show up and watch the charts a little bit early. But every single day, 9:30 is like my clock in time. From 9:30 is when I'm actually looking for the trades, to get into the trades, trying to get out the trades, and trying to overall end my day. So I should be getting this withdrawal also from last Friday. I did a withdrawal, if you guys watched the vlog. But when you do withdrawals on the weekend, it takes some time for them to process, and then it takes some time. So I'm still waiting for that to overall get the full withdrawal to my crypto.com account. But nonetheless, I'm gonna stop the yapping, about to get my laptop open, about to join the call. We're gonna see what we can do today. We're gonna have a great day, have a productive day, and just do what we came here to do. Become the best version of ourselves. So basically, if you take the challenge with TopStep and it takes you the full 30 days, they're just gonna charge you again. But me personally, if you're gonna get charged again, depending on if you're in drawdown or not on the account, I recommend just buying a whole new account. Because if it's $100, if you have 100K, $100 to get it, then you gotta pay the $150 activation. And then, but if you're paying like months after that, $250 you're paying turns into $350. It just slowly adds up and just goes into that overall amount that you need to get back to break even, amount to like basically pay for all the challenge stuff. Like when I took the first payout with TopStep, I did like $250 just to get that $250 back to make it essentially, I got a funded account and it's just profit, it's just free. I got the money I spent for it, now I'm break even on it, it's just only upside. Oh yeah, but overall, I'm bullish on 30. I'm not gonna take the trade, those Columbus Day, got it. I'll come back tomorrow when there's actually some good volume, but I ain't stressing it. The market ain't going nowhere. Especially on a day like this, we got a lot more news this week. I think it got some time for the all-time high, so I think sometime this week though, maybe, if we keep up like this. We get some good volume this week with all the news I think is possible. Especially because 30 is at all-time high, just playing around. It's just that time of the day. We got our shower done. Now it's time for y'all to go on this walk, come on. See, the trash chutes are full, so I haven't been able to take them. Hey, same shit, man. Having a routine is the most important thing that you're ever gonna do. It's like, hey, yo, where'd he come from? But like I was saying, having a routine is the most important thing you could do, because if you do the same thing every day, oh my God, everything's going on right now. Over here still don't got no type of, like, clean up. I look like they're trying to fix the electricity over there. It's just crazy, but my life is back to normal though, nonetheless. But like I was saying, you gotta have a routine, because the routine is gonna be the main thing. What is he doing? Yo, Florida is, bro, I'll start recording when I get upstairs. What are you taking a picture of? The trees? All right, just walked the dogs and everything. Back in the cribbo, but we about to go get some food. We about to head back out. So we're gonna be getting up out of here. But for the most part, what have I done today? Besides trading with VIP, the main things that I still have to do, I have those one-on-one calls that I'm gonna do later on at 3 o'clock, 3:30, and 4. Those are the 3 one-on-one calls. So if you want to schedule a one-on-one call, make sure you click the link in the description. It's going to just be it's just going to be like a quick 15-30 minute call. If you have any questions about anything, I'm going to just help you with that. I got only 3 a day, just so I'm not killing myself doing 15 of them a day, because they do take time to get everyone the link and everything. So I don't want to overdo myself. Just a little bit a day adds up over time, adding that to the daily schedule. I also have to work out. I also got to get more content created. Yes, that is what I got to do. Got to get more reels scheduled and get them all edited and everything. Even though I went crazy with the content yesterday, like yesterday just on Instagram, yesterday we hit 18K followers for one, so we made that happen. But with all those posts that we posted yesterday, I probably did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 31,000 in views just from the reels from yesterday. And I still got 2 of them that I have to post right here for today. And then that's when I gotta get the other one. So we working nonetheless. Trading is just one portion of our day, but once the trading is done, that takes up maybe 2 to 3 hours of our beginning morning, getting all the trades journaled, being active with VIP, actually being there, watching the charts, talking about the charts and all that. But then after that, I try not to be on the charts all day. I don't. My camera, the SD card got full and I had to go delete some of the footage. Crazy. That's how you know we working too hard. Too much content being created. But like I was saying, we just gonna get the rest of our day started. I don't got much else to say. You gonna see me when you see me. Taco time. Tacos in the hood. Now we just got back to the apartment, got the food and everything, but there's an Audi R8. Not bad. This is like the one from like Iron Man. I like it though. I would have it. I would drive it. I would trade this car in for that one. I would do it. You got a scat pack, nothing crazy. You hear them doing that construction, it sounds crazy down here. Sheesh. Does that floor feel good? All 3 kind of just laying in the sun. Yeah. All right. But right now, it is approximately 3:05, and I have one of the one-on-one calls right now. I sent the link and everything to them, but now we're going to see if they actually accept it. Because so far with some of the people that set up the one-on-ones, either they forget about it because so many people book the one-on-one calls. Like, so basically, if you wanted to have a one-on-one call, if you wanted to schedule it right now, you probably wouldn't be able to get it for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, just because it's so booked ahead of time from everybody. So people forget about it. But we're going to see if he joins, he joins. If he doesn't, I'm probably just going to, I think I already emailed him. Yeah, I'm not going to take it further than that. If you're not here, you're not here. It is what it is. And then so while I wait, I just look at the view, listen to the construction. It's not that bad right now, honestly. Oh, yeah, you came out here to stretch, boy? Yeah, great day, great view. Great view. But yeah, I got to get a couple more reels created. That's another thing that needs to be done right now. So I'm going to wait for them to join the call. If they don't end up joining the Zoom, then I got another 30 minutes until then to the next one-on-one. So I got time right now. We just gonna make the best of it and keep working every single day. Keep putting in that grind in. And I just was watching one of the YouTubers. If anyone knows Bryson Thompson, he was in IML and everything like years ago. He's someone I watched. He's one of the first people that I started watching that got me into trading. And I got into him like watching his content. Like he makes content like I make right now. Vlog style, lifestyle content. And I got into his content. Essentially, that's how I got into trading. And I was like, what does he do? What does he do to live this life? And he was a trader. Even though he was in IML, so I didn't learn to trade from him, he was the reason I even found trading. And it's crazy because he just started posting vlogs again. It's crazy to think about. We came a long way. Bryson, you're not the only vlogger now. I don't know how many subs he has. I don't know how many views he gets on the videos either, but much love to everybody. Much love to everybody. We all just working. And same for you guys. Same thing that I did. I got inspired by somebody to take the leap. Do the same thing. Make content, start trading, start making yourself the most valuable person possible. So yeah, while I'm speaking about that, let's do some push-ups. Let's just get physical, man. Yeah, right now I'm waiting for one of the people from VIP because I told people in VIP also that they can get instant one-on-one. So for the people that don't want to wait that 2 to 3 weeks, just join VIP and then I'll try to get you in as soon as I can. Usually it's just like if I'm driving, if I'm free right now. Like right now my girlfriend's getting croissants downstairs, so I'm just out here giving value because the person from the one-on-one did not show up. No show, but guess what? I'm gonna still give value to somebody. Somebody's gonna get this game. I'm not out here on this balcony for nothing. And then if he doesn't answer the person from VIP that wanted the one-on-one call also, then the Instagram we go to record and give him some value. Grind never stops. One of the main things I want to stress to you guys is don't let no obstacles get in your fucking way. Whenever something happens, keep pushing through it. Push through it. There's always another way. Just always think to yourself, what's next? What's next? When something happens, what's next? If you have a problem, what's next? What's the solution? What's next? Always keep that. It's a life tip. How long did it take me to become profitable? So when I say profitable, I was able to come to the charts, figure out where the market was going to go, and I was able to make money
probably 6 months to a year into trading, but I wasn't able to consistently do that. I wasn't able to consistently replicate the process and withdraw consistently until 3.5 years. How much did I lose? I've lost tens of thousands, if not close to $100,000 in the market, in life, just experiencing life, if that makes sense. You gotta go through it to really understand it. Money's gonna get lost, but guess what? High risk, high reward. Low risk, low reward. You hear me? Hold on, that should sound windy. Give me a second. I'll say that's definitely going to be the main thing, because especially if you do content and trading, the main thing that I'm able to leverage is I leverage the content as my life, not just trading. You get what I'm saying? And also, the main thing that makes it easier for me compared to other people, because especially in the morning, you even hear Wakino says it too, there's a difference between me and other people because I have the time to do it. That's another key thing. I was able to get my time back so that I can focus on other things. You get what I'm saying? When you're still trying to figure out how to get out of your job, when you're still trying to figure out how to get the first income, you get what I'm saying? It's harder because you need that time to be able to afford everything else too, compared to already having that money coming in to then be able to focus on. I would say the main thing for you, focus on trading to the point to where you can sustainably get money with it and have the content still what you're doing. Just personal, none of that has to change. That's all going to be there, even if trading stopped. That's still going to be there regardless. It's universal. That's going to be stuff that's going to be there in 10 years, 20 years. Right now we playing, just got the Wii Sports. We playing golf. I'm losing right now, but from the looks of this hole, I might be able to catch up. I ain't gonna lie. We gonna see. And then after this, we gonna go out to eat soon. But right now, we just in the crowd. I was on the phone with Mamba Effects. Got some business in the works. Got a lot coming soon, no cap, a lot coming soon. Money to make, lives to change, no cap.
What
That John.
I'm not understanding.
You dookie.
I'm not.
Look at it, that's why.
Andre, I'm not getting it because it's like.
Yeah, keep going. You on stroke 6, I'm on 1.
Oh.
How you on stroke 6 already? I'm on stroke 1. This is crazy work. It wasn't meant to be.
It doesn't do. Yo, it's not doing what it's supposed to do.
I don't know, man.
It's not.
That's not bad. It's not horrible. You got back over. You're not in the green yet, though, so I think you still got to keep going. Watch how a pro do it. Stop playing.
Come on.
You see this?
Get in the gutter, man.
123. You might be able to. Oh, no, you don't.
3.
Nah, I'm going to get another strike. I ain't losing this one, buddy.
You got 1 strike and you don't know how to add.
2 strikes, nigga.
Where's my hoodie?
Your hoodie?
Where's my hoodie?
I don't know. But we're done with the game. We're about to go get some food. I was thinking about we just eat it there, but I guess we're just gonna pick it up. We ordered it online. We about to get some Bahama Breeze. I'm gonna get some steak, some fried plantains, some white rice. That food be hitting. Bahama Breeze be hitting, not gonna lie. Yeah, it's dark as shit in here. But all these lights, as you can see, got it all lit up. And these dogs about to go into the cage. No cap. No cap. But then once we get back from Eden, not sure what's next on the list for the day. Probably end up the vlog and everything. Maybe answer some questions for you guys. Just been an overall working day. Nothing crazy, honestly, to be honest. But yeah, let's go get some food. But right now, like I was telling you guys, we about to go get some food. But I mainly want to talk about the goals for this week. So I didn't take no trades today. Today it ended up being a bank holiday. Didn't have a lot of momentum. Didn't have a lot of volume. So I didn't get any trades. People in VIP got some trades. Kino had a withdrawal today. A couple other people had a withdrawal. A couple other people had trades. But me, I didn't get the trade I was looking for. So therefore, no trade for me. But with that being said, what is my expectations for the rest of the week? On US 30 specifically, I'm still bullish overall. We're still been around all-time highs. For NAS 100, I'm kind of just, I don't have too high of expectations or any real like expectations for it, just because the fact that it's kind of been rangy. It's not at an all-time high. With US30, I can bet on the fact that it's more than likely going to keep reaching for the all-time highs. And until it stops trying to reach for the all-time highs, until it proves me and shows me that it's actually trying to fall and it actually created a top and we're actually going for a retracement or a reversal of some sort, then I'll, start looking for shorting opportunities or something. But overall, US30, I definitely more bullish. I think it's going to be the pair that I trade most of this week. So we're going to see what we could do. I'm going to be trading a $1,000 account. Probably going to have a mixture of trading that account with my regular account just because, I'm trying to make some money too. This $1,000 account challenge took a little bit longer than I expected, but we going to make it happen nonetheless. All it takes is a couple trades. There's no time limit, no nothing. We just make it happen. Simple as that. But like I said, we're going to get to the food, and then I'll see you guys there. You'll see the food, and I'll see you guys back at the cribbo. Just got back to the crib. Beautiful outside. That shit a little bit dangerous. But we got the car parked up with the views. I'm about to tear this food up. I ain't gonna hold y'all. What, this is the spot right here? Nah, it's cool. I like the spot over there. It's in the corner, hidden away. Porsche, what's that, a GT? GTS? Can't tell. Yeah, Hurricane did damage to all that shit over here, but like I said, I'm about to do damage to this. All right, and I'm back in the crib and everything. Sitting under the world is yours, because you know why? Because the world is mine. It's not fully mine yet, but it's on the way. And I just wanted to talk to you guys during the end of the vlog. A little bit on trading, a little bit on my life, a little bit on things that are happening. So when it comes to today, it was a bank holiday. How to trade bank holidays. Don't risk the house. Don't have any high expectations. Don't have any expectations at all, especially on bank holidays. I didn't take no trades. I understand that today isn't the days to be trying my best to get a high probability trade because it's not going to happen. We don't got the volume. So even if it is a great idea, I can end up being in the trade until tomorrow, which just doesn't make sense. Risk reward wise, doesn't make sense. Time, money wise. You know what I mean? Next thing. So as I told you guys earlier, I kind of hinted at, I was on the phone with Mamba FX. Yes, I was. I'm not going to talk about what we talked about, just business. But I overall just want to talk about how it was just kind of crazy because he's someone that I watched 4 years ago, 3 years ago, like when I first started trading. So to be able to be on the phone with him, to be actually able to see him, talk to him like face to face, it's crazy, but it just really puts into perspective, they're no different than me. We're all just at different levels, but we're all human. Just never put someone on a high pedestal because we're all human at the end of the day. And it's cool. All respect to everybody. Even though I don't trade like him and he doesn't trade like me, it's just more of a mutual trader, entrepreneur, social media type of thing. But it's good, man. I gotta tell you guys, chase your dreams because I promise you, you're gonna get way farther than you think. And it happens when it happens. You just gotta put in the work every single day. Follow the plan that works every day. Follow the routine that works every day. And the results are just a matter of time. Don't chase the money. The money's gonna come. The money's gonna be a byproduct. Just doing what you're supposed to. Simple as that, man. But I don't want to keep yapping your heads off. I'm gonna keep the vlog short. I just want you guys to know, if you want to learn how to trade, free concepts, free trading course, everything that you need is in the description, man. And if you want to join the team of like-minded individuals so you can catch the trades with us on a daily basis, live trade with us on a daily basis, and learn how I trade, learn how the team trades, and learn how you can also trade, join VIP. We'll be active in the morning, live trading like we do every single day. So with that being said, stay safe, stay productive, and I'm gonna see you guys in tomorrow's video.